The revival starts with you. Tell the person next to you, the revival starts with you. Oh, God says you want a revival, but it starts with you. If somebody would just open your spirit, if somebody would just open your heart, if somebody would just let God be God in your life, if somebody would just let God be God in this place, if we would allow God to move the way, my God, if we can only allow God to do what he has orchestrated in this place today. But it says it starts with you. So open your mouth, begin to worship God, begin to worship God, worship him. Hey,